Welcome guys, I'm your host Remo. Today I have with me Rizal Klau and Rohit Mitra. Today, rather than having a podcast, let's discuss the topic in a more detailed manner. Can YouTubers thrive outside the YouTube bubble? What's your opinion about it? I'm handing the mic to Rohit Mitra.
Well, let's be more specific.
Yeah.
What is the YouTube bubble? Let's talk about the national film industry rather than the
Yeah.
complete scenario.
Yes.
Many YouTubers have already made their cameos.
Already made to the
Already have made it to the big screens. Sapan Verma from EIC, who's a comedian, even Tanmay Bhatt.
Yeah, Tanmay actually featured in two of the cameos in
Many.
Mr. X and Nanda.
Many have made it to the big screens
But actually, it's not like a complete dedicated film for them. They actually made something like cameos. Avish also made a cameo in the recent film that happened.
Harsh Benewal.
Yeah, Harsh Benewal also made it to
Student of the
Student
Year.
of the Year season 2. Yes, that's kind of the newer ones. But we should actually talk about the YouTubers who has their own original, whether be it YouTube original, whether be it YouTube Red or Netflix originals, which we are generally known for from Netflix. An YouTuber who is very popular, according to her stats, if you know her, that's mostly same Prajakta Kohli. She recently did this Netflix original called Mismatched,
Yeah.
and it wasn't that well. It didn't actually wasn't received quite well amongst the actual movie lovers.
Yeah.
Because like it has a divisive fan base because the plotline wasn't that strong. According to me, I saw the synopsis of it and it had something like regarding career, like it was more like on the coding side. Again back to coding, like.
Yeah.
But sad to say, there wasn't much emphasis on the educational side, and it was more like a puppy love kind of thing, like that puppy love scenario which happens. They gave more emphasis on that part, and I did feel like it was like shown from the perspective of like how like older people sees the teenagers. It was more like a that kind of
exactly,
like that came through, not from the like original Kota Factory or Flames kind of web series.
Yeah. Anyway, moving from Mismatch, it was due time. Some other YouTuber made it to the big screens.
No, what I think is poor writing may be the
Actual cause.
actual reason for it didn't work out well.
Yes, because the casting was quite great.
Casting was quite great, but storyline was not good. Like, I'm not saying it's bad.
It wasn't lousy writing.
It's not according to what they mentioned. Like, they're showing that girl is very aspiring to be a coder, but
Yes.
instead of showing JavaScript,
Yes, she's coding in HTML.
That was this awkward scene যেখানে
she was coding in HTML.
yes. তো আমার দেখ জিনিসটা হচ্ছে যে আমার মনে হচ্ছে যে the script writer or the screenplayer made a massive mistake. He or she, I don't
The
know.
major part was full of love story.
আমি ওটাই তো বললাম যে it was more basically like a puppy love kind of thing. দেখ এই জিনিসটা না খুব generic হয়ে গেছে. It doesn't have that kind of edge among it, but those like the young audience wants the more detailed dedication of stuff. But ठीक है चलता है, मतलब it's like an okay thing. We are not shitting upon mostly saying she has a very big audience. We don't want any kind of hate from mostly saying, but the movie, it was a movie. It was a web series.
It was
a web series. I didn't complete it, so I'm sorry about it. But I didn't like the writing. That was the major letdown for me not completing it. But I guess she did a short story or like a short film, which was released on. No. Actually, this is mostly since second work after if we consider her first short film. Khali Pulao. And it got like quite amount of good views also. She got like almost 4 million views, which is quite okay. Like আমরা এখন hardly 100 views cross করতে পারি না, but getting 4 million on a short film is quite
dream.
Yeah, it's actually a dream.
Yeah, it's a dream.
Mostly.
So my review is, according to my review, don't create hatred. So what I'm saying is, I expected more according to what they have mentioned, like aspiring coder and then the love story. But most of the thing is they mentioned is love story. First half was like not the first half. First 20% of the half is they are showing she want to be a coder and all. But then it's all about love story and all. Like it's like primitive high school love story.
It's like they focus on the love story more than
They give
the
emphasis
person's
on-
career,
Yeah.
which is too stereotypical in the film industry.
It's primitive.
Yes. And like that Jinisha would say back to again, it's more like lousy writing. And it's more like a screenplay, the screenplay chilo tar fault. More like that team
Yeah.
or the producers who have thought it would have been a better to do more like based on love thing rather than giving the emphasis on the education thing. But yeah, that's their choice. But we have seen like Edocom type of problem. Some other very big, well-acclaimed YouTuber has also faced the problem. Probably you guys have heard about her name. It's Lily Singh.
Yeah.
She's a very like OG YouTubers than Mudde Pade, and she's a very well-established YouTuber. She has done everything from writing book to being in YouTube Reds and everything. But her TV show that Late with Lily Singh, it isn't up to the mark. Obviously, the writing is another issue, and she's getting backlash for stealing jokes, which is also bad. But I guess yes, that's the problem when big YouTubers who cannot actually make it out of the YouTube bubble. That's like the YouTube syndrome. Jinishta hit करे. She national television is अब international, Hollywood is international. So yeah, it's a major problem. Another like the thing is like now since we have discussed about mostly Singh
Yeah.
as well as Millie Singh, another big news that comes out from another big Indian YouTuber is from Mohan Bam. Since he announced that he is doing a TV show, it's not actually a TV show.
It's a mini series.
It's a mini series, and the name is Dindoda.
Yeah, he took to his Twitter and announced that इतना ढिंडोरा in quotes है इतना ढिंडोरा पीट के क्या होगा?
No, actually he says Dindoda P to something.
Something like that.
Yeah.
I'm not quoting him.
Yeah. But but could you quote like what he actually said when he appeared on Varun Dhawan's?
Okay, so
And that news came from that Varun Dhawan. Varun Dhawan has his own YouTube channel.
Well,
Varun Dhawan has
first he took to Twitter to announce his.
Yeah, that was done by his social media team.
Yeah, and then he went on Varun Dhawan's show.
where he mentioned that.
Yeah, he so Varun Dhawan has a YouTube channel and he basically like interviews something or like that. So maybe Bhuvan was a guest and he announced that, and I quote him verbatim. I always wanted to create a BB universe kind of a thing, just like a Marvel universe. So I have 19 characters of my own and I wanna do a movie kind of a thing where all of them are together. This is what he said on the video.
See, according to me, Bhuvan is a quite great actor. He's a quite great actor. His acting skills are what we have seen through his videos, BBQ1 videos. His acting skills are quite good.
Yes.
But I'm mentioning plus minus what he did earlier. In that case, my reviews plus minus. Divya Datta did a great job.
Yes, she did.
Bhuvan Bam's acting, I would say, was average.
It was good for a first time.
Huh.
It wasn't. It was good for first time.
See if you're like coming back to the topic like if he can make it out of the YouTube bubble or not. If like according to what he stated in Varun Dhawan's channel that he's going to release it on YouTube, and we still don't know whether it's like pre-made by YouTube Red or like it's supported by YouTube or not.
Yeah.
I would say if he is getting the entire power to like write the script or like the screenplay.
He can connect to that. He can connect to his own self.
Yes, if he is given the rights and all the like the possibilities to completely write the script by himself, as we have seen it from the channel,
He spent his YouTube career establishing these characters.
Yes.
So if he is going to be the scriptwriter,
Yes.
we can.
There are possibilities that it's not going to be as much critically acclaimed, which we are thinking like it's going to flop. Like a lot of people are thinking like it's going to not work here. But I do think if he's given like the total freedom, it is going
It's
to
gonna be good because he spent his whole career.
Yes, and it's not like that Bhuvan is very consistent. He takes time to write his
Yeah.
script. He doesn't like মানে ওর যদি ইচ্ছা না হয়, he is not going to make a very bad script and going to give it to the public.
Yeah, whatever he makes.
And the numbers proves it.
Yeah, whatever he makes, it's on the trending list.
Yes, and he's been on the YouTube charts. He's been in YouTube from 2015, like he's posting from 2015,
Yeah.
and he has 19.8 million followers at this subs at this point
Yeah.
of time of this recording, and he has 2.9 billion views overall. So it's 2.9 million from an entertainment point of view. That's great, and also keeping in mind he was the first YouTuber to like get to the 15,000
Indian YouTuber.
Yes, he was the first YouTuber to cross the 10 million subscriber mark. Now that was also cool.
First individual.
Yes, individual.
Yeah.
And we are not talking about companies, but yes. So those are the things that we need to keep in mind.
I remember in one of his Q&A videos ও বলেছিল যে একটা ভিডিও পোস্ট করেছিল লাইক যেটা ওর মানে ওর একটা প্রপার ক্যামেরা সেটআপ নিয়ে একটা ভিডিও বলেছিল মিস্টার হোলা ভার্সেস বানছোড় দাস ছাত্রীওয়ালা ওখানে ও বলেছিল যে হি অলওয়েজ ওয়ান্টেড টু মেক লাইক একটা ফিল্ম
A small universe of his
Small, যেখানে ও
explore করতে
হ্যাঁ
পারে।
যেখানে ও নিজেকে অ্যাজ আ কন্টেন্ট ক্রিয়েটর বেশি এক্সপ্লোর করতে পারে
Yes,
where he can put all his characters there, তাই তো,
exactly.
which he plays.
হ্যাঁ লাইক যেমন ও নিজে এক্সাম্পলটা দিল যেমন মার্ভেল ইউনিভার্স ক্যাপ্টেন আমেরিকা
And the others.
ইয়া এখানেই ওর নিজের একটা ইউনিভার্স ওর মা ওর বাবা টিটু মামা মিস্টার হোলা
Now, what people are saying that it won't work out, some might say it gonna be work out. তাই আমি এটাতে বলবো যদি আমি এখনো জানি না যে ও নিজে যদি ফ্রিডমটা পায় না যেটা ও বললো তুই ভালো করে দেখ যে ওর যত ক্যারেক্টার ও ভালো করে রিড করতে পারে কারণ কি ওই ক্যারেক্টারগুলো প্লে করে
হ্যাঁ ওটা মানে বেসিক্যালি ওর অলরেডি হয়ে
হ্যাঁ ওটাই তো ও ভালো করে জানে তো এবারে যদি এটা পায় তাহলে চান্সেস আছে লাইক প্লট পোটেনশিয়ালটা অনেক ভালো হবে
But যদি like that's question up again যে ও ইউটিউবার বাবলটা ফাটাতে পারবে কি পারবে না I would say he has the potential because আমরা T2 Talks এ দেখেছি he has been in like he has মানে ও actually Karan Johar's YouTube fan fest এ এসেছিল
honestly his expressions are fabulous ভাই আমার জন্য ভাই ওর এক্সপ্রেশনস মানে এন্টারটেইনমেন্ট পারপাস দিয়ে
হি ইজ আ গুড অ্যাক্টর
খুব সুন্দর ভাই খুব রিয়েল টাইম এক্সপ্রেশনস আছে
like যদি তুই আমাকে বলিস যে according to plus minus honestly saying plus minus was a good film ঠিক আছে it got that film fair 2019 award people's choice award for short film also that was good that was a very good big accolade for a YouTuber na
Yeah.
কিন্তু I would say like from the perspective I didn't
it wasn't his script first of all
exactly
it wasn't
he like it was his debut kind of thing
yeah
and we can see the nervousness in his eyes and chilo it wasn't
হতেই
this
পারে, হ্যাঁ।
pro thing যেটা করেছে
হতেই পারে।
but I do think যদি like he's given time na so I do think and since he is playing the characters which he is actually playing for the last 5 to 6 years I do think there's going to be a massive change in his acting capabilities right now and like
first of all it's very difficult to like দুটো জনারের মধ্যে অনেকটা ডিফারেন্ট একটা সেলফি ক্যাম দিয়ে শুট করা ভিডিও একটা প্রপার ক্যামেরা সেটআপের শুট করা অনেকটাই ডিফিকাল্ট
না এটা নয় যে he hasn't tried he did
He
try it
has.
he did try it but the audience didn't accept the change in this thing
এক্স্যাক্টলি
না,
এইটা একটা খুব বড় ম্যাটার যে ওর হয়তো প্লট সবকিছু ভালো হতে পারে কিন্তু ওর যে অডিয়েন্স আছে ওরা কি সেটা অ্যাকসেপ্ট করতে পারবে
no since he has said like this is a proper TV show
Yes.
like it's a series
মিনি সিরিজ
yes 10 to 12 episodes around so yeah
what we have seen is after plus minus একদম ঠিক যে ওটা ডেবিউ ছিল তাই জন্য ওর হয়তো একটু অ্যাভারেজ অ্যাক্টিং হয়েছে বাট আফটার দ্যাট হি মেড আ লট অফ মানে মিউজিক ভিডিওস in that we have seen a lot of change in his acting
ইভেন ইন হিজ মিউজিক ভিডিওস ও যথেষ্ট ভালো অ্যাক্টিং করেছে
হ্যাঁ তাই তো
dialogue ছিল না but still yeah
হ্যাঁ
it's quite good
ওর এক্সপ্রেশনস ওর অনেক কিছু বডি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ সব ভালো ছিল পারফেক্ট ছিল রে
let's be like hopeful.
Yeah, let's be hopeful because he has around 19.8, 19. Around 20 million subscribers.
All are fan of BBQ Wines.
As of recording this video, so like 20 million hopes on him.
20 million হয়ে যাবে, it's like
না 20 million মানে 20 million লোক যারা সাবস্ক্রাইবার তারা হোপ করছে ওর উপরে যে
আমরাও খুব বড় ফ্যান হিসেবে আমরাও চাই যে এটাও ভালো করে হিট করুক।
and like since আমরা ভিডিওস বানাচ্ছি আমাদের মানে খুব কম সাবস্ক্রাইবার বাট স্টিল we are part of the community. তো মানে it feels good that someone from our community is taking it to the big screens.
And he can actually take it into
Make it to international. He's taking it to international.
It's not international actually, but that we can see Bhuvan in the national televisions. We can actually. আমি জানি না কতজন Arctic Fox and ads in the TVs দেখেছি. So if advertisement counts as a national television scening, then yes, he has made it to the national television.
Yeah, it does, I guess.
Boat, he's also in Boat,
Movie,
Boat, and yeah, he was in a lot of this. So we can actually say he has made it to the national television, and also Filmfare Award John Neither he was there, so yeah, he has made it to the national television. But he has worked with people who has been in the national television.
Yeah.
He worked with SRK, man. He has worked with SRK.
By that logic, he made it to international stage. He worked with someone.
He has worked with a lot of people, so let's not.
Amanda Cerny.
Let's not get into that. He worked with
Mr. Sins. But anyways. ভাই আগের ভিডিওতে মরে গেছিল but anyways okay, so the final take that I want to say is like leaving out Bhuvan, leaving out Prajakta and others, can other YouTubers make it out of the YouTube bubble? Like if they want, can they go and actually be successful in the national television scene or international television scene?
My thoughts on this is like for now Bhuvan is the best shot at it, making it to the big screens. So if he does, like if it doesn't turn out good, just a hypothetical situation, if it doesn't turn out good, a lot of YouTubers who are thinking of making it to the big screens might get demotivated.
Yes.
So a lot of hopes lie on him. Anyway, Remo.
According to your question, like other YouTubers can make it out of the YouTube bubble. See, it depends on genre to genre. What kind of people are making? See, like we have seen streamers and like YouTubers on YouTubers genre on gaming and roasting and podcasting like us. তো এটাই বলবো যারা অ্যাকচুয়ালি অ্যাক্টিং যারা করছে মানে ইউটিউবেই বলছি অ্যাক্টিং যারা করছে তারা ট্রাই করতে পারে making out of the national television or out of the YouTube bubble.
Keeping that question in mind, Alia Bhatt, Ajay Devgan and the other celebrity YouTubers have already made it, so our question becomes irrelevant at this point of time since they are also YouTubers right now. Thank you.